72-hour survival food plan. Why survival tabs are a prepper's best friend. When disaster strikes, whether it's a power outage, supply chain failure, storm, or full-blown grid-down scenario, your first 72 hours can be the most critical. Preppers, homesteaders, and survivalists all know the golden rule. Be ready before you need to be. That's where the survival tabs come in. Compact, nutrient-packed, shelf-stable tablets that offer complete survival nutrition in a lightweight, no-cook, grab-and-go form. 72-hour emergency food plan for preppers, homesteaders, and survivalists. Simple, reliable, shelf-stable. Whether you're hunkered down at home or bugging out, the survival tabs are engineered for your first 3 days off-grid. Forget about cooking. Forget about refrigeration. Each tab delivers essential vitamins, protein, and energy in the exact quantities your body needs to survive. Why it matters. No electricity? No problem. No running water? Still fed? No grocery stores? You're covered. Just chew and go. No mess. No prep. Just survival. Best survival foods to stock for grid-down emergencies. Your pantry is your lifeline. When the lights go out, you'll want calorie-dense foods that won't spoil or take up precious space. Alongside your rice, beans, and freeze-dried meals, survival tabs deserve a front-row spot. They're vacuum-sealed, moisture-proof, and last up to 25 years. Pro tip: stock a bottle in every bug-out bag, glove compartment, and first aid kit. Off-grid emergency food guide. What to eat when SHTF. When the fridge dies and the gas is off, most meals are out of the question. But not survival tabs. Tested in the wild by outdoorsmen and homesteaders alike, these tabs are bug-out bag approved and urban collapse ready. Perfect for wildfire evacuations, earthquake aftermath, hurricanes and floods, martial law or societal collapse. Top long shelf life foods for homesteaders and survivalists. You've canned your beans and dehydrated your meat, but have you added ultra-portable nutrients to your emergency stockpile? Survival tabs last decades and require zero prep. They're the ultimate backup. Weigh next to nothing. Fit in any storage space. Never go to waste. Bug-out bag food essentials. A real survivalist's 72-hour plan. Ounces matter when you're on the move. A full bottle of survival tabs weighs less than a pound and provides up to 2,400 calories per day. No bulky stoves, no fire starting. Just efficient, ready-to-eat nutrition in your pocket. Why every bag needs them. Zero cooking equipment needed. Quick energy on the go. Sealed and weatherproof. The Prepper's Pantry. Compact, calorie-dense foods for collapse. Forget huge food buckets that take up a full room. Survival tabs deliver high-calorie output in minimal volume. It's food security, shrunk down to the size of a vitamin bottle. Maximize calories, minimize footprint. 15-day survival packs available. Easy to rotate or transport. Tastes like vanilla, chocolate, butterscotch, and strawberry. What to pack for 3 days, without power, stores, or grid access. When you've got no grid, no store, and no delivery trucks, you still need to eat. The survival tabs are your first response nutrition when the world goes dark. Trusted by adventurers, military personnel, and smart preppers worldwide. Be ready for EMPs, cyber attacks, food shortages, civil unrest, SHTF food supply. Blueprint, 72 hours of ready-to-eat survival meals. This isn't just about snack food. The survival tabs are scientifically balanced to sustain your body's needs in survival mode. No fluff, no fillers, just nutrient-dense survival fuel. Smart prepping includes layered food strategies, freeze-dried plus tabs, planning for mobility and shelter in place, redundant nutrition sources for backup security. Final word: The Survival Tab Advantage. Whether you're building your prepper pantry, bug-out bag, or rural homestead plan, survival tabs give you peace of mind. They're FDA compliant, made in the USA, and trusted by those who prepare for the worst so they can survive the best. Ready to stock up before it's too late? Visit thesurvivaltabs.com and build your 72-hour emergency food plan today. Because when the grid goes down, you'll be glad you stocked up.